Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sakshi Sati और आज की वीडियो is so different. This is not about food or something, but this is about the necessity. Yes, this video is for the hostelers who's about to go to the hostel for the first time and have no idea what to take, what to not. So I'm here to help you guys. As I have lived in the hostel since forever, like मैं 6th grade से I was living in the hostel and I have lived in every kind of hostel जो बहुत strict है, जहाँ बॉयज़ गर्ल्स एक बिल्डिंग में रहे हैं, जहाँ पे वो कोसों दूर रहे हैं, या फिर प्राइवेट हॉस्टल्स जहाँ पे आपको टाइमिंग बहुत रिलायबल होता है. सो आई हैव लिव्ड एवरीवेयर. सो और फर्स्ट टाइम जब मैं हॉस्टल गई थी आई फेस दैट प्रॉब्लम कि यार पता नहीं क्या कैरी करूँ क्या नहीं. सो आई कैन फील यू गाइज. सो इफ़ यू think this video is useful, do subscribe to my channel, and without further ado, let's get started. First thing comes is your slippers. They are essential. Like you can't forget to buy a pair of slippers for like outside and for restrooms. So just have couple of pair of slippers. Next up is your water bottle. You need to have your own water bottle. Then comes your morning routine essentials, that is your toothbrush, your toothpaste, your tongue cleaner and face wash. As I am saying you all the things, please make a list, or for you guys I'll write everything in the description, so don't worry about that, just enjoy the video. After morning essential, it's like you need to have your soap case, like 2 soap case, one for bathing soap and one for other like अगर आपने कपड़े धोने का रखना है सोप तो उसके लिए तो you need to have 2 to 3 pairs of soap cases. And the other thing you need to have is hand wash. You need to have your hand wash with you and sanitizer, both are necessary. And after that you need to have a mug. See, mug is your personal choice, but some people are so fond of hygiene. It's up to you, but I think it's necessary for both boys and girls. So yeah. After that you need to have 2 types of towels, which is one hand towel and the other is your normal towel for body towel. You have to have 2 pair of towel, both 2 body towel and 2 hand towel. After that you have to have clothing clip, जो हम क्लोथ को क्लिप करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं वो. एंड द अदर इज़ क्लोथ हैंगर. आइदर यू कैन टेक वो, अगर आपका जो ओनर है वो आपको अलाउ करता है कि आप वॉल पे आप अटैच करा सकते हो, तो आप वो सीधी स्ट्रिंग, आई विल ऐड द पिक्चर देयर, वो वाली ले सकते हो. या फिर यू कैन हैव योर हैंगर्स, अगर वो पहले से लगे हैं तो जो प्लास्टिक हैंगर्स होते हैं क्लोथ के, दे आर वेरी नेसेसरी. और एज आई एम गोइंग टू द होटल मैनेजमेंट कॉलेज, वी हैव अ लॉट्स ऑफ यूनिफॉर्म, सो वी नीड टू हैव दीज हैंगर्स विद आवरसेल्फ. इट्स फॉर बोथ बॉयज़ एंड गर्ल्स. इफ देयर एनीथिंग डिफरेंट जो सिर्फ गर्ल्स के लिए होना चाहिए या फिर बॉयज़ के लिए, आई विल मेंशन इट, बट दिस लिस्ट इज पर्टिकुलरली फॉर एवरीवन, like boys and girls, all the students out there. It's time for soap and detergents. You need to have your detergent with you. You need to have your like bathing soap, and कपड़े धोने के लिए आपको अगर यूज़ करना है तो वो वाला सोप. और कई जगह पे सेल्फ कुकिंग किचन टाइप का भी सीन होता है, एंड यू हैव टू वॉश योर यूटेंसिल्स. सो यू कैन बाय अ विम जेल, बिकॉज सोप बहुत ही ज़्यादा ग्रीसी हो जाता है. And if you are a college person, you need to have your school bag, of course, or a college bag. And if you have a laptop, then you have to have 2 pair or 3 pairs of bag, because when you are traveling it's hard to put your clothes with laptop and all, so it gets so stressed. So have 2 pair of, like 1 pair of college bag, 1 pair of laptop bag. So yeah. Next up is body lotion, skincare. And here I will not mention this is just for girls, because boys, you do have a skin as well, and your skin need a moisturizer to keep it moisturized. Then next up thing is for the girls, which is sanitary napkins, tempons, and mensural cup, anything. And if you're carrying the sanitary napkins, please don't forget to put newspaper cuttings with you. Just take a small space in your baggage, so it doesn't matter, so keep newspaper with you as well. Next up is a most important thing which we don't think it's important, or we just forgot. We know it's important, but हम भूल जाते हैं, which is lock and key. You guys need to have 2 to 3 pairs of lock and key with yourself to put it into the cupboard, to put it into your room, to the luggage when you're traveling. So it's important to have 2 to 3 lock and keys with yourself, with extra pair of keys. Next up thing is medical kit, like a basic thing, Vicks, balm, सर दर्द की दवाई, कोल्ड एंड कफ की. मेडिकल किट बोले तो एक प्लास्टिक का बॉक्स लो एंड पुट देयर एवरीथिंग यू थिंक इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर यू. नेक्स्ट अप इज mask. Yes, new normal. You need to have a pair of mask with yourself because it's corona time and you don't want to get affected by the virus. And 2 गज दूरी, mask है ज़रूरी. उसके बाद is blanket and pillow. एंड बहुत सारी जगह तो आपको मैट्रेसेस भी नहीं मिलते, तो आपको वो तो वहीं से बाय करना पड़ेगा. बट दिस इज द लिस्ट आई एम टेलिंग यू गाइज नीड टू हैव. नेक्स्ट अप इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इन एवरी स्टूडेंट्स लाइफ, and that is extension box. You guys have to have extension box because if you're living three students in a room, there are always a shortage of sockets, switches. Next up is power bank and pen drive. Pen drive is necessary according to me because as I'm a college student, we need to have storage, extra storage with us. Phone mein we can't keep our documents and all, so pen drive is actually necessary. And power bank is when you're traveling, when you're going out with your friends and holidays, power bank is necessary. And last but not the least, grooming kit, like your hair brush. For girls it's hair clip and basic skin cares. It's all up to you, but grooming kit is important. And this video is actually my target audience here is the hotel management students who might be my batchmates itself. So it's important to have hair brushes. For boys, you as well. Hotel management is all about discipline, etiquettes, your personality, how you showcase yourself. So yeah, please have your grooming kit with yourself. And I think I have covered everything in here, like our basic necessary things. If you guys have anything to add, I would happy to see. Please put that in the comment box. I would love to see, and other can also watch if you have anything to add in this list. I hope you enjoy this video. Share this with the hostelers because people have to know these basic things. So I hope you like the video. This is Sakshi Sati signing off. Bye bye.